Okay, now we want to get our "You win, congratulations." We want to get that screen working in our game, so we need to have some way for you to win the game. So the way this will work is you'll either touch an object, like some kind of a trophy, to instantly win the game, or it could work through the quest system. So I'm going to try having some gold down here. Now, in your game, you'll probably put it in a better place, but mine's going to be fairly easily accessible for easy testing. And this trophy type object will have a script. It'll detect when it gets touched by the player. So remember, that's from physics. When I am touched, get toucher. Then we want to ask if, from control flow, if, and then we want to know if the tag on the toucher, so from sensing we want myself as tag, we'll get rid of myself, and from variables we'll use instance toucher. So if the toucher has tag player, so when the player touches this trophy, we'll send them to the "You win" screen. Now from control flow, the go to next level block will send them to a level. We can send them to the last level, but the last level is actually our "You lose" screen. If I close this and save it, I can show you. So my last level is actually game over. So I need to go to the last level and then back one. So I'm going to say go to last level -1. And I'm going to do that on my game winning object. Okay, so I don't want to go to last level, but I will keep that last level block there. I'm going to go to operators and grab this 1+1 block and change that to a minus. And this is going to say go to last level -1. So it'll go back to the "You win" screen. Okay, that is how a trophy could work. Let's give it a test. And as soon as we touch that, we should win. Now that's a pretty cheap way of winning. Um, Perhaps you could put something like that right at the end of a really tricky level. Um, Now I'm going to have another NPC that will give me another quest to complete, and then I'll win the game after I complete that quest. So by defeating the 5 orcs here, you'll go through into the next room. So I've built another area for my game, and in this area there's going to be a quest to get all the spiders. So that'll be my friendly NPC that'll talk to me this time. And I'll put a bunch of spiders around here. Eight spiders. I'm going to give the spiders the same code that the enemy NPC had. Good. And then this NPC is going to be friendly NPC 2, and they're going to have a slightly different quest so that we can win the game as our reward for beating that quest. So I'm going to edit the code of friendly NPC 1, one where you get the health potion reward, and I'm going to copy all of that code. If I export that script, copy that, and then make a new script for this NPC and paste it all in there. And we're going to make some tweaks to this. Okay, so let's name this friendly NPC 2. And we're going to keep track of some different things. I've got spiders instead of orcs that this NPC wants me to kill, so I'll rename some of these variables. Rename that one to kill 8 spiders quest started, and then I'll rename that to 8 spiders killed, and then I'll rename that to number of spiders killed, and reward given, we don't even need to keep track of that, so we can throw that one away. Now what else do we need to adjust in here? So when you talk to NPC number 2, they want you to kill 8 of those spiders. They're going to broadcast a slightly different message. They're going to say, I need you to clear out all these spiders from my dungeon. And then the quest has started. Now, if the quest has started but you haven't killed all 8, he will say, what's the hold up? You need to kill, and then the number, more spiders. So that might be, you need to kill 3 more spiders. Okay, and then if you have killed all 8, now this reward given thing, we can actually get rid of that. And the 8 spiders is all that we want to keep track of. And this whole extra section down here, we can throw that away. And this else if part, we can remove as well. So if 8 spiders have been killed, and you go to talk to him, he's going to say, great job. You're a true hero. And then instead of giving you 3 health potions, you can throw that away. What we will do is send you to that last level, and after a couple of seconds. So we'll go to control flow and we'll grab after 100 milliseconds have passed, and make this after 3000 milliseconds have passed. That's 3 seconds. And then we'll say from control flow we'll use that go to next level block, but this will be last level -1. So we'll get that minus from operators, starts that as a plus. Go to last level -1. That'll send you to the you win screen. Now, when does 8 spiders killed get set to true so that you can go and win the game? Well, that should be in here, but this is keeping track of killed orcs. We're going to change this to killed spider. So spiders killed gets +1, and then if the number of spiders killed equals 8, it will say spiders killed is true, and then that will complete the quest. The last thing I need to do is change the NPC enemy code on the spiders so that they broadcast killed spider. So we'll save that. Now, I was using the NPC enemy script, which I've used on my orcs, which broadcasts killed orc when they die. What I want to do is export out NPC enemy, export script, copy all that, and put it in a new script for just the spiders. So I'll remove that script from the spiders so that they don't get treated as orcs. Alright, new script on the spider, importing what we had on the orc. And we'll make a few adjustments here. How about we give them 100 health, the spiders. Now, when they die, when the spiders die, we don't want to say killed orc. We want to broadcast killed spider. That way, the NPC number 2 can keep track of that. Okay, very good. Let's close that. Save that as spider NPC enemy. Then we'll give that spider NPC enemy script to all of our spiders. Cool, now I'll test that out. I need you to clear out all these spiders from my dungeon. Okay. What's the holdup? You need to kill 5 more spiders? Okay, we need to update the count on that guy. So he was saying 5 minus spiders killed. That's going to be 8 minus spiders killed. We'll save that, play that. Eight more spiders, very good. And then, great job, you're a true hero. Congratulations. So that is how we can win a game.